Guys, welcome to our 14th lesson of our certification training for the exam MO-300. So Microsoft Office Specialist PowerPoint Associate 2019. And in today's lesson, we will start another brand new chapter of certification objectives, which is insert tables, charts, smart art, 3D models and media, okay? So today we will start with tables, and more specifically create and insert tables, insert and delete table rows and columns, apply built-in table styles, and that's it. So let's begin by creating and inserting tables. There are two options. Either you can have a layout that has this content placeholder, and you can select the table from here, or you can simply go to the Insert tab and choose Table. You can either draw a table, but in the exam task you'll be likely asked to insert a table with a certain number of rows and columns, and you can even quickly select those here, okay? But let's just go with this option, and let's go with 3 rows and 3 columns maybe, okay? Perfect. So that's how we insert a table. Now let's just populate the table with some data. So let's, for example, write column 1, okay, column 2, oh my gosh, here, column 2, column 3, and maybe just these two, row 2 and row 3. So notice that you can always use your arrow keys to navigate between those table cells, and it's pretty intuitive. So the next objective is to insert and delete table rows and columns. I go to the Layout tab, and here you can see that I can insert row above, row below, insert left, insert column right. Okay, so let's go with row above, and now when I want to, let's say, insert a column after the column 2, I click insert column right. Okay, so just insert right. Perfect. And another neat feature is, for example, that when I have text with different sizes, so let's, for example, write some longer text, and when you double click the borders, it fits automatically the content that is in the column, okay? And when you want to have all of these columns with uniform width, you would go to the Layout tab and choose Uniform Cell Size, like this, okay? Perfect. Here you have also options for your table size, so you can increase the height, increase the width, and in the exam setting you will be most likely required to enter a certain dimension, so let's say 12 inches, like that. Yes, so that's how you insert and delete rows, and to delete them you actually click to the row that you want to delete, you go to the Layout tab, and you click delete row or column. So let's delete row number 2. Perfect. And the last objective for today is to apply built-in styles to tables, okay? So let's activate the table by clicking into it. Let's go to the Table Design tab, and here you have all the available built-in styles. And notice that each style has a certain name associated with it, so be super careful selecting the right one at the MOS exam. You have also additional options here, so for example, these options are meant to intensify some information. So for example, now we can differentiate the header row, we can add the total row, okay, we can maybe highlight the first column like that, the last column, we can make the banded columns, so it doesn't make sense to make them both banded, but either, let's say, banded columns or banded rows. But you will be most likely instructed what exactly to do with those in the exam setting. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. That is all for today's lesson. I hope you find it valuable. If so, smash that like button. Please support the channel to support more free certification training materials, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!